This is the Lab1 barrel shifter demo for the advanced Verilog class. And this is a parameterized barrel shifter. And so we have 8 bits here, 8 switches that are supposed to represent an 8-bit input. And then these LEDs from 0 to 7, these will light up when you switch on an input. And then we have these 3 switches over here. This represents the amount that we're going to be shifting by. And then we have this switch here. So up means shift right, down means shift left. So this is our LR switch. And now I'll be demoing the multi-barrel shifter MUX source file. So for the ease of understanding, I'm going to turn these 4 on, right? And then these last 4 bits will be off. And we're going to start by shifting left, actually. So it should go this way. And then so if it goes like shifts like left 1, so LED 7, 6, 5, and then 0 should be on. So let's shift 1. So yeah, 7, 6, 5, and 0 are on when we shift 1. So then if we shift from this position 3 to the left, you can see that it clearly shifts 3 to the left. Now, if we're going to do 4, then all these should be off, and then all these ones should be on. So let's shift it 4. Shift it 4, and then we'll shift left. We'll add 1 more to that, so shift 5. So you could see it just shifted 1 because we added 1. And then go back, and then we're going to add 2. So as you can tell, that worked. And we're going to add 1 on top of that, and then it shifted perfectly there. So now we're going to reset it to what it was, and then now we're going to show the right shift. So if we shift it 1 to the right, there we go, 2 to the right, add 1 more, 3 to the right, and then now we do 4 to the right, and then now add 1 to that, 5 to the right. So you can see it clearly works fine, 6 to the right. So yeah, this clearly works fine, regardless of the input. So even if we do this, and we want to shift right, 1, or shift right 2, or then add 1 more, 3. Yeah, it clearly works regardless. If we're going to shift left 1. There we go. So yeah, it works in for all directions, any sort of input. Okay, so now I'll be showing off the multi-barrel shifter reverser code, and it basically does the same thing. So I have it on so that we're shifting right, and I'm going to shift 1 to the right now. So as you can see, that shifted 1 to the right. So now we're going to do 2 to the right, 3 to the right, and then here we're going to do 4 to the right. There we go. So as you can see, this clearly does work. So yeah, there's 1, and then there's 2. So, or that's 3, I'm sorry. This is 2. So yeah, as you can see, this clearly works. And so then now we're going to go to the left side and test out the shifting left. So here we go. It shifts left 1. Let's shift left. Let's go 2. Yeah, and then 1 more, 3. So as you can see, this clearly works regardless of the direction, like the previous code as well.